you, and I don't like you. Never got a nap yet today. He's still running like crazy. He hardly slept well. I don't know if he hardly slept, but he woke up a few times last night and then got up. And he slept into. What time did we finally get out of bed? 8:30, I guess.
About 9 o'clock.
Almost 9 o'clock, yeah. So he slept kind of late from him. But
What you doing, Jake?
I'm digging.
yeah.
I'm digging.
We got up almost 9. It was like 8:30 today.
Uh-oh.
Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, he's been running all day long without a nap.
That's it. Get a big shovel full. Get a big shovel full of stuff.
I can get the stick.
Get the stick? Okay, you get the stick on there.
Oh. Get a stick.
I don't have to push the jacket on so it's going to get cold out here.
Think so?
No, it's been warm up here. Warm. It's starting to get nighttime. It's starting to cool out. What was the temperature today?
What was it today?
Yeah,
61.
Oh, that was the high?
Yeah.
That was high. 61.
It was warmer than that, I thought.
That's not warm.
No, it gets hot in the
We all
summer.
were walking around in t-shirts all day long. Never got told us to put on a jacket. Not just me, but everybody. Susan was saying she was hot earlier. I thought it was like 70. Now we're near cold or freezing, that's for sure.
There's Linda. Jacob's
At
digging a
nighttime
hole
we get to
here.
the point where we can blow steam, brush smoke.
Yes, he is.
That's what it feels at night.
I'm digging.